In 2009, a software firm in Hungary created a new web-based presentation environment. Using the Hungarian word for presentation, they called this tool Prezi. For many people, this giant canvas in the cloud replaced the old slideshow with a new dynamic way to present information. Seeing a Prezi presentation for the first time typically results in, how did they do that? But now that Prezi has firmly established itself through TED videos and other conference exposure, most people know what they're looking at, and you can't just throw content onto a Prezi canvas and have it be effective or interesting. It's no longer different, so you need to plan your design and deliver carefully. With Prezi, you can move from still photographs to motion pictures. You need to think of the giant canvas as your set, and you're going to have things happening at various locations on that set. With your camera, you'll be able to move from location to location, zoom in and zoom out, even rotate your field of view to a new orientation. One of the great features built into Prezi is its learning and support, which comes with many tutorials. One of these great tutorials is animating your transitions tutorial. Here's just a quick clip of the animating your transitions tutorial.
With Prezi transitions, you'll first need to make sure your content is on your path. You can set up your path using these 4 simple steps. First, get your content onto the canvas. You can insert from the top menu or just drag and drop your stuff to where you want it. Next, get your content into frames. After that, it's time to put your frames in order. Then you can reposition your content and at the same time change your transitions. Remember, where and how you position your content on the canvas determines how your transitions appear. So, adjust your transitions according to 3 factors: proximity, rotation, and scale or zoom.
Zooming. The frame that you draw around your content equates to what will fit in the scene at that location. If you draw a frame around the house, that's what you see. Same thing if you draw it around a window pane in the house. As you move from frames around big and small objects, the viewer will get the sensation of zooming in and out. This can be a very effective method for revealing information that supports your main points. The process of moving from place to place on your canvas is called panning. You'll draw a frame around some content that you've placed on the canvas, and that defines a new location to move to. The time it takes to pan from one location frame to another is somewhat fixed, so moving nearby is comfortably slow, and moving way across the canvas can be blindingly fast. As a tip, move things nearby. Rapid moves across an entire canvas are disorienting for the viewer. Rotating. The ability to rotate the content is one of the most unique features of Prezi. When you draw a frame around some content, that frame represents the orientation of the content as well. Whatever is at the bottom of the frame will be at the bottom of your monitor. Whatever is at the top of the frame will be at the top of the projected image. But you can rotate the frame and its contents so that when you're moving to that location on the path, the camera rotates to get the content upright in your view.